Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share a Winnie the Pooh album and a Winnie the Pooh card. I created this album and card for one of my old neighbors. Her daughter is having a baby. I decided to go ahead and create a mini album with a matching card. So I'm getting ready to share that with you. If you like what I share in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, you guys, to support my channel. Also, if you would like to join my Crafty YouTube channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram. I will leave a link in the description box below. All product information will be listed in the description box below. So if you're curious about anything that I've used, that information will be housed in the description box below. All right, you guys, I also wanted to do this video to share with Mom how to maneuver through the album. I have a funny story to tell when I share the album, but yeah, so let's get ready and let me share. And first off, here is the cute little card I created. This card measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And you can see the cute little honeycomb embossing I did here. The showcase is here, the little Winnie the Pooh, and that's actually a sticker that I had in my stash, as well as the cute little bees. Those also are stickers in this right here. So you guys, as you can see, you can really pull together a quick little card using stickers from your stash. This old baby is a die by Scrapdiva. I love that. This is my first time using that die. All right, you guys. So here's the inside right here. Waiting your arrival is just so exciting. Congratulations. And then I have a cute little Winnie the Pooh sticker there just to kind of dress it up a bit. And then I wanted to use that embossing folder just a little bit more, and I used it on the back of this card. So here's the card, and now let me share with you the mini album. Here is the mini album. I kept it very simple, clean and simple, and I love how it turned out. This mini album measures 6 by 6, and I followed a tutorial by Rosa Kelly, and I will link that tutorial below. Here's the cover. I decided to go with this cute Winnie the Pooh paper with Winnie the Pooh on the balloon. This paper is by Echo Park, the Winnie the Pooh. And then I used a little chipboard piece here that reads, "Any day spent with you is my favorite day." And then I had some of those stickers left, and I used the cute little bees. I used another die here to house the chipboard piece. I also wanted to do a little border here at the bottom, so I used yet another die from my stash. This is the purse strap die by Scrapdiva. And then I have some enamel dots here, and then here's the side, and I decided to just go around the whole book with that trim. Really cute. I love this paper. It's so cute. All right, so let's open it up. I just used a ribbon closure. This is my favorite closure to do and the easiest. So that's what I went with. On the inside here, I have this clear pocket. This is a pocket from Target. We all have these pockets that we like to use in our crafting. I just have Sweet Baby here, an ephemera piece that I had in my stash. I kind of mixed up everything with the papers and stickers that I had in my stash just to make it really fun. And I have a sticker here at the top that says "It's a boy." And then in the inside here, I have some tags, you know, and Mom can just place a photo of the baby or do some journaling on the back of this tag, as well as this tag. Pictures or journaling of special moments about the baby. And then I thought this was really cute, this little Winnie the Pooh. This is my favorite day. So cute. And like I said, Mom can just put some journaling, or she can place a photo of the baby on the back. And then on this pocket, I just added another one of those Winnie the Pooh stickers there to bring it all together. So here's the first page over here. I have a cute little sticker, border sticker up there of the little planes. Really, really fun and cute. This little chipboard, Winnie the Pooh. And then I have another sticker here, Oh Baby. I used the stamp set. It's called the Photo Place stamp set. I will list it below, and it says place 3x4 photo here. And then I have another sticker here that says Sweet Dreams and a cute little bumblebee. And I just put like prompters here on the pages since Mom is not a crafter. And so here's my funny story. So as I was doing the mini album, I let my husband see it. And he looked at the book and lifted this completely off of the album. He just took that. He said, well, it said lift up. And I said, no, baby, the page, not the chipboard piece. So I was like, oh my goodness, I got to make sure I do a video for Mom so she would know that this just prompts her to lift the page up, not the actual chipboard piece, but the page, okay? Now I have this to where Mom can place her photo right under there. It's not adhered all the way down, so Mom can just place the photo there of the baby. Okay, so she can just lift it up and put the photo down. So here we go, lift up. So lift the page up. It's a boy, and then Winnie the Pooh, and then I have another prompter to lift the page up. All right, so I'm going to share with you here that the photo can go down. Like this is your photo, and just lift it right there and put your photo right there. Because I don't have this adhered all the way down, so the photo can go. So here's another page to place the 3x4 photo. I just decorated it with some cute little stickers from my stash. I thought this was really cute with Tigger holding the little pacifier. So here's another prompter to lift the page up. And I have magnets throughout, and you guys, these magnets are so strong. My goodness, so Mom, be careful with turning the pages. So let me see if you can see that. I have a page here, so I just left these blank. I didn't want a lot of bulk, so I just left these blank for photos to be added. Okay, so that flips down, and you can hear it. It's magnetized and down like going on to the next page. I have Hello Little One. And then there's another Winnie the Pooh sticker that I had in my stash. And I really love this page because look at the balloon. It has Winnie the Pooh face on the balloon. And that came from an embossing folder. So I thought that was really cute. I added some string, and a 4x4 photo can go here. So I have it to where the photo can go right there. And if she needs to go up under there, Mom, you can go under there as well. Then here's another prompt to lift the page up. So we're going to lift the page, and photos will go there, photos here. Here's another prompt to lift up, and more photos. So this is all about those baby photos. This is her first baby. So you guys know she's going to have a lot of photos. So I didn't want to do too much decorating, and I wanted to have a lot of places for her to put the baby photos. Here's another page right here where a 3x4 photo can go. You just slide the photo right under there like that. And then here's another prompt to pull down. So pull the page down like this, and then more opportunities to add photos. And then I have a cute little, another one of those cute little plane with the clouds sticker there at the top. All right, turn the page. And here is another cute little fun page for 2x3 photos. I have a cute little border stickers here of the cute little trains. We have Piglet. We had to have everyone a part of Winnie the Pooh, the main characters in this cute little book. Another prompt there to pull this page down. And then there are some opportunities there for photos. All right. And then we go over here. We have Tigger. And here, this is just a decorative page over here. And here I have a prompt to turn the page. So you turn the page. Another photo can go here. a big size photo can go here. And then I just included a tag here, Winnie the Pooh, and mom can journal on the back about the baby, or she can just, have this in here for decoration. She can write the weight and how long the baby was, and all of that good stuff can go there if she likes. Okay, here's another prompt to turn the page, and then other opportunities there for photos. So I wanted mom to have a lot of places for photos. All right, here's another page here. I just left it blank so that mom can add photos there. You turn the page and get more areas here to add photos. Down in here, there's a cute little tag. It says pull here. And mom can add photos or journaling on this tag. And it just goes right down. This is a belly band. So it goes down in there like that. Another page here of Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. And then I really love this page right here because it has the cute little book of ABCs and it's interactive. And I just like that interactive element to that. I have another one of those train borders there. And then if, here's an example of the photo. It can just be placed there. And then Eeyore is not adhered all the way down, so the photo can go there. And then there's a pull-out tag here that I created using stamps that goes with the collection. And it says, sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in our hearts. And that is so, so true. And then mom can journal once again on the back. And that's a little pocket there. Left this blank for photos. Pull the page down here. And more opportunities. Just place your photos there. All right, and here's the back of the book. I included another one of those clear pockets and some cute little tags here in the inside of the album. These are so, so cute. This paper collection is so pretty. Here's another cute little tag. Mom can, put a photo or journal or whatever she likes on the back of there. Here's another one here, another cute little tag. And then here's another tag here. And that is my share for you guys today. I hope it has inspired you to maybe create a really cute mini album. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.